Another day, another episode na naman to, guys. Let's go. Yo, what up? It's your broker. Okay, let's talk about give back to community. They're the ones who really understand our vision together with Nate Man. The ones who keep on sharing, reacting, and commenting on our videos and posts via Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. We used to give back to our community using our t-shirts and sneakers for free. Yep, you heard it right. Kahit shipping fee, wala kang babayaran. Once na, ikaw ang napili namin dahil sa top fan badge mo. Every drop ng new t-shirt namin, mag-give back kami sa community. Para makita ko pangalan mo, message mo ang FB page ko na broker. Nga pala, may libre kaming 3 Red Boys t-shirt para sa mga magme-message sa FB page ko. Hintayin ko message mo, magre-reply agad ako. Click mo yung link sa i-reply ko. Comment your thoughts. Follow me for more content like this and for you to learn, to earn, to invest, and grow on art and business. It's your broker. I'm out. Peace.